Hi, I'm Christopher from Code Learning. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the difference between the single, double, and triple equal signs in JavaScript. So already I have my browser opened and I am currently in the Google Chrome browser console. So that's where we are going to test these three equal signs. So the first thing I want to say is that the single equal sign is an assignment operator. We use it for assigning values to variables. That is the only use of it in JavaScript. Now, the double equal sign, on the other hand, the double equal sign is what we call a loose equality operator. So yes, it's used for checking equality, but we will see the difference between that one and then the triple equal sign. So talking about a triple equal sign, that one is a strict equality operator in the sense that if you want your equality comparison to be done strictly, then you want to go with the triple equal sign. So let's clear the console again and let's use the single equal sign to assign some values to variables. So I'm going to create two variables here. The first one is going to be variable x here. Let's give it the value of 2. Then let's create the second variable here, variable y, which will have the value of 3. So you've seen that we used the single equal sign to assign values to the two variables we have just finished creating. That is the only use of the single equal sign. So I could just do something like variable x plus variable y. And you see we get 5. So what the engine is simply doing, the JavaScript engine is doing is, it is picking the values that has been assigned to the variable x and y, and it is adding and giving us an answer of 5. So that is for the single equal sign. Now, let me clear the console quickly, and let's talk about the double equal sign. So the double equal sign is, like I said before, a loose equality operator. So let's say you wanted to compare two numbers and be able to make decisions based on the outcome of the comparison. You can use the double equal sign, but that is going to compare the two numbers or whatever you are comparing loosely. So let's see what loosely is. Let's say I'm comparing 2 against 2 here, and I hit enter. I get true. What is the meaning of true? Now, the JavaScript engine is comparing 2 on the left-hand side against the 2 on the right. And it is, what it is simply doing is, the 2 on the left-hand side is a number, and the 2 on the right-hand side is a string. So it is converting the 2 on the left-hand side to a string before it compares the two values we are comparing, and that is how come we are getting true. But we can be strict about this in the sense that we can tell the engine not to convert, it should compare them as they are, and that is when we use the triple equal sign. So over here I'm going to write 2 here, and we're going to use the triple equal sign. We are comparing against the string 2 here, and you see we get false because the JavaScript engine this time around does not convert anything. So it picks the 2 on the left, which is a number, which is an example of a data type in JavaScript, and it compares it against the 2 on the right hand side, which is a string. Now if you compare a number to a string, that is never the same, and so that's how come we get false. So I just want you to take this, that the single equal sign is an assignment operator. The double equal sign, even though it is an equality operator, it is a loose equality operator. And then finally, the triple equal sign, on the other hand, is a strict equality operator. So that will be all for this video. And if you have any comments at all about this video, you can leave them in the comment section below. Bye for now.